to outside. Welcome to a quick yoga practice today. This is Zen Appeal Yoga. My name is Tanya Peale. Just trying to make sure everything is good to go. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good enough. Okay, so let's get started. So this is going to be a very interesting experience outside my house. I have my favorite jasmine plant in my favorite arrangement that I put together for the summer that's still going. My jasmine plant is growing so fast that I'm going to have to find a better planter for it anyway. So let's give you nice scenery today. Yes, they're cutting the grass, so you see all the mess. Let's just give it a go. So we'll come in for practice. We'll take hands to the heart, big breath. Just connecting to breath and body. Today's going to be a nice quick practice. Just popping on here. Try to find the quietest time. Now they're doing the grass next door. Anyway, we're just rolling with it. Okay. I thank you for joining me today. Namaste. So we're going to get started from a standing position today. We'll raise the arms nice and up. Inhale, big breath up. Exhale, take both hands, come all the way down, find the feet. Soften the knees, take the hands to the knees, head up, inhale, come up again. Exhale, fold. Inhale, head up. Exhale, step the feet out. So the knees can be soft here, they don't have to be straight. We're going to shift over to one side. So I'm shifting to my left leg and bending into both knees and dropping it down to the bit. Left leg, inhale, straight down. Hold. Exhale, bend into the knee. Take the hands together, interlace the fingers, come up in. Exhale, hands come down, split the front foot back to center. Tuck the back foot toes under. And here we go. Big breath. Exhale to the other leg. Moving over to the right. Back knee comes down. Front leg. Inhale, extend. Look straight. Exhale, bend. Interlace the fingers in that. Exhale, down. Back to center. Hands on the inside. Back foot tucked under. Here we go. Let's heel toe, bring the feet all the way back together. Soften the knees. Rise up again. Inhale. Exhale, catch waist. Step out wide. Moving with the right foot first. With the right toe, shift off to the side. Hips back extending. Into triangle pose. You can start high. Drop in. Like a pop today. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, come up. Lean back. Nice to have the sun on the face. Exhale, touch the waist, turn the foot. Left side, same thing. Left toes turn forward. Hips back, reach the arms. Inhale, forward. Exhale, in. Rise up at the top of. Inhale, forward and up. Reach back. And back to center. Hands touch the hips. All the way forward. Inhale, reach the arms up. Mount and extend. Exhale, fold. Shoulder open. Hands to the earth, soften the knees. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, right side open. Inhale, chair. Exhale, left side. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, head up. Exhale, step out wide. Take breath here. Deep knee bend. Inhale, we straighten. Exhale, we bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Stay here. Drop the elbows down. Extend legs. Catch your elbows. Head to the earth. Hold here. 3, 2, and 1. Hands to the earth. Take some twisting. Right hand down, left one on top. Press into the earth. Extend. Left arm up. Reach behind the back. Catch the inner thigh. Hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, back down. Other side switch. Left hand down, right one on top. Press into the earth. Inhale, reach. Behind the back. Catch inner thigh. Nice pop, pop. Stay 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, release. Exhale, hands down. Taking head to knee pose. Right leg, walk over, fold on top. Inhale, center. Same thing for the other side. Go in. Hands to the earth. Inhale, center. Open up the toes. Take it to the right hand side edge. Just sit in it for a moment. Let your body relax into the pose if possible. Close the eyes if you like. One more breath. Other side up and over. Inhale. Exhale in. So same. We try to relax in. Here at my left knee, back to my right mid long. We're going to turn towards the left leg and take a full lunge. So inhale, pull up, exhale, sink in. Back tail is long. Front leg extend. Inhale, extend. Leave the foot flat if you need help with the balance. Flex the toes up if you want to stretch out the calf. Fold up. Stay here. 3, 2, and 1. Pull the hands back. Press the right hand down into the earth and extend the left. Balance. Move my hand more forward. 3, 2, and 1. Left hand down. Bend into the knee. Try to take the pose. So find your balance and release it up again. Hands with the front foot. Good stretch. Back over to the other side. So right into lunge. Apparently this is turning into a no hands practice for the most part. Put hands on the earth. Front leg. Inhale, we straighten out. Take the fold, so front foot flat to the earth. If you need help with the balance, flex the toes up for more calf stretch. Hold here. 3, 2, and 1. Pick up the head. Inhale, head up. Exhale, left hand down. Find the balance. Right arm up in the sky. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Right hand down to the earth. Soften into the knee. Take the pose. Lunge, fold, balance, and up. Big stretch. Hands put the front foot back to center. Pull the knees in. Take a sit. Some easy twisting here. Let the feet come out from underneath. Knees pointing forward, staggered legs. We're going to take a little Catch left hand outside of right back. Grow tall. Push away, twist. Let the right hand move behind you. Eyes over the right shoulder. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale through center to the other side. Switch, switch, switch. So right hand outside of thigh. Grow tall. Push away. 3, 2, and 1. We come back to center. Inhale. Unravel the legs out. 5. Toes up. Knees up. Maybe even bring some energy into the front of the legs. See if the heels can pop off the earth. If that's a possibility. Just for a moment. Relax the legs, take breath. Exhale, left hand, reaching for right foot like that. Inhale, pick up. Exhale, right arm underneath. To the elbow or to the other leg. Try to drop the shoulder on the inside. Extend the left arm. Hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, pick up. Exhale, we turn towards left leg. Right hand reaching for the front. Hold. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, head up. We try to thread on the inside. Elbow, shoulder, leg, reach the arm, hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right. Exhale, hands down, elbows down, wherever you can go down. I know this is not a relaxing pose for many. For me, it's not so bad. Some days are worse than others, but today's a good day. I think it's the heat of the sun on the body. Stay for a couple more breaths. Inhale, we pick up. Bring the feet together. Knees off to the side. Just see what it feels like today. My knee is not a happy knee. So this is probably something I'm just going to hang out in as long as my knee doesn't give me too much discomfort. Too much yoga. I think is what that's from. A little bit. So we'll start to wind it down. Sitting long ways on your mat, let the legs come forward. Reach for the feet, take breath and fold. Inhale, we pick up. Exhale, this is where Shavasana comes in. So we lie all the way flat on the mats. Take a rest. If you happen to be outside, it feels nice. A little bit of the sun on the skin. Don't really care for too much sun anymore, but a little bit is nice. I'll let you enjoy that. I'll bring myself up to sitting. So anyway, that's a nice quick flow for today. Hopefully that served some of you who just wanted to get a little energy into the body, a little stretch. I will leave you there with it. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your lovely day.